Hey, boy. Okay, walk, boy. Yay! Good job, boy. Come here, boy.
What is this?
Julian. Julian, come here. Let's see if he'll walk this way. Julian. No, go. Stay over there. Julian. Come here, boy. Come here. Yay! Good job, boy. All right. Mwah. Good job, boy.
Am I supposed to be saying circles? Boy, come here. Stand up. Stand up.
Aw. Come here, boy. Hi. Can you walk to... Call him. Sarah.
Come here, Bubbies. Come on, Julian.
Reach out to him. Reach out to him.
Come on, Julian. Come on. Come on, Dad. Come to me. Oh, no, Tigger. Don't mess this up. Tigger?
Good boy.
Reagan jacked the whole thing up.
It's okay. Come here, boy. Move that Tigger. Okay, now call him again.
Julian.
Good boy.
Walk with me. No. Come here, Julian.
Oh.
Julian. Thanks a lot, Reagan.
Hi, baby boy. Just bring it to you, because he'll go to you then. Go over there, Jules. Go. Aww. Come on, Jules.